got done with my job interview. You know, hopefully everything went swell and dandy because, you know, boys need that paper. But we are here at AC's performance is off. You already know what's about to get done. Because my car is full straight pipe. But, like, when I was getting my rotors done, fam said I need some back pressure. So that's what we're getting done today, just to make sure. And my car is a little too raspy. I'm coming from a LS, so I need it to be, you know, darker. Ease my trunking open. So ran into a little problem. They sent me 3-inch and I need a 2.5-inch for underneath. He's saying that he might have to reroute my whole exhaust system in the back. So we gonna see if he able to do it, but I'm pretty sure he'll be able to do it just because I got faith in him. So hopefully he's able to do it. If not, then we're gonna have to just send him back and just get a smaller size or something. Well, while I wait for my exhaust to get done, because he got to custom fit some piping to make shit fit, because I was supposed to get a 2.5 meter, but I got a 3-inch. So they got to do some custom piping to make sure it fit. In the meantime, I'm with my homie Cross. That nigga got a little baby cat. He got a little cat, so he out here trying to get some cat shit for the dog. So until then, this is what they did. Tucked it up evenly. Both sides. So after doing my little test drive, I'll say I like it because it takes away the raspiness that I didn't like. Sounded like a trombone, even as a V8. It sounded good, but like from the inside of the cabin, like the drone and everything was just, yeah, I didn't like it. This is better, but it's not what I thought it was going to be. So I think I gotta go with like MagnaFlow or like get like a boiler attack or something to get that poppiness back. But make sure it's loud, cause like right now, see, like it's there. It's just I want it to be a little bit better. So it is the next day after getting my mufflers installed. First impression, they're alright, you know, they cool. I wish you a little bit more raspier, you know, a little bit more effect. So I might have to go with boiler or something. But don't get me wrong, these mufflers are really good, bro. They're really good. Got a nice little sound quality. It's just that I had a full straight pipe and it was sounding too raspy, and I didn't like it. So this is how they look underneath. As you can see, yeah, they get them custom fit to make, but yeah, I don't think it's a bad sound. It's nice quality. It does have some room to it, so if you're looking for a nice moderate sound quality, then I'll go with it. But I might switch to, well, I'm most likely gonna switch to Borla or Corsa, but you know, you gotta have some bread for all that, so I don't have to wait. But I mean, I enjoy it now, so you know, I'm gonna walk around the car. So I'm most likely gonna get a bigger throttle body, 62 millimeter, before I do the whole engine swap. But I might get a Pro Charge, because I think Pro Charge might bump it up to like 460. Then I know I need to get some 14 gears in the back so the bitch can hook, because it's not hooking at all. I know people that install a nitrous kit, but man, I ain't trying to do all that nitrous shit, because you gotta heat up the bottle and do all that good stuff. So almost like they're gonna go with a Pro Charger, so I can just slap that bad boy on and get a tune. I really don't know which tune to go with, because I know everybody talking about Loom, something like that, but I have to do some more research so I can get some more knowledge before I make my decision. But yeah.